Hi guys, so let's talk about something which we all do at some point in our life. Romanticizing people who don't even care about us. We all have done that at some point in our life. You know, I remember myself like we check continuously our phone, we check our notifications, messages like uh, do they like us? Will they like do they care about us? Will they text or like anything related to them? We just like live in our fantasy. We just live in our fantasy world, like, imagining future, imagining scenarios which we like, imagining things which we will love to do with them, imagining like all the things we just keep like we call it being delusional. So like I think so we do all the things. I remember myself, I used to check my phone, like I used to check notifications, oh like check Insta, check WhatsApp, check Snapchat, like check all the things, like continuously thinking, oh, will they like me, like do they think about me, do they like me, do they have a crush on me, do they like all the things which keep wondering, and they don't even, and they like the truth is, the harsh reality is, they don't even care about us, like they don't care, they don't even think about you, okay? Like accept it. And it's not our fault, it's not your fault, it's not the person's fault, like it's kind of trauma looping, like you just it's easier for people to accept like a delusion or like believe in delusion than facing rejection. We can't face a rejection, right? We have never learned it, we never learned to face a, and you know what, my love, by doing that we don't just lower our value, we fall in our own eyes, like we lower our value in our own eyes, like it's we start comparing ourselves, like comparing uh, who do they like if I can become like them, then they'll like or like anything, we put them on a pedestal, girl, we put them like we're like they are very nice, they have no fault, they are very amazing, they do everything nice, they are very good. Yeah, 1% attention, like tiny attention of them towards us, we feel like, oh my god, like wow, what the fuck, it's not even bare minimum, girl, it's not even bare minimum. Like when like okay, let's do a compare list. When someone literally like you, when there's like actual like literal liking, like they are clear, they don't give mixed signal. A mixed signal is a completely no, mixed signal is completely no, take it as clear sign. Always mixed signal is always a no, they are not into you if they are giving mixed signal, okay? And uh, about comparing, if someone completely likes you, they will not give you mixed signal, they will be very clear that they like you. You won't have to think twice, oh my god, what does their this post mean, do they like me, what's the meaning of this story, what's this, what's the meaning of this message, do they like me? Oh my god, no, you don't have to think all that, they'll be clear, okay? And we literally need to stop putting people on pedestals, okay? Put yourself on pedestal, girl, put yourself, look at yourself, like, you are a diva. And so how will we break this cycle? Okay, listen to me. We first of all start focusing your energy on yourself, like completely shift your attention, shift your energy to yourself, like don't put them on pedestal, don't think like like they should not be the main focus of your life, girl, they shouldn't, they you are the like you are the most precious thing to yourself, you are your everything, you should be like you should be your pedestal, at your pedestal, you should be the center of your life, you are a main character, okay? So, and you can write about it in your journal. Focus your energy on yourself, okay? Your growth, your happiness, choose things which is about you, okay? Once you become happy, happy people surround you. Once you become successful, successful people are around you. Okay, don't be that person who is like changing other people's attention, changing other people's energy, like thinking, settling for bare minimum, and just comparing themselves to others. No, you are such a beautiful person God have created. You are just only one person like this in the whole universe. There's no one like you. I love you. There's no one like you. No one. You are one, only one. So you can end. You can write about in your journal, like pros and cons about them. Like, do they check on you? Do they make time for you in their day, in their schedule? Do they like do they ask you about your day? Do they like anything? And my baby, you are very smart. You will know if someone likes you. You will know. It's not that you won't get someone liking you and you won't understand. It's not about that. So you will know it. Uh, You can, and after this, keep focusing on yourself. Okay, bring your energy to yourself. Call your energy back from all the people who are not worth. And you are worth so much. Don't lower your worth just because of them. No. And you are begging for someone's bare minimum, like, and there's another person who is waiting for you to, like, they'll just treat you so good, so good, like, literally. I myself realized this after NEET, like, after I thought what I was doing, giving my energy to people who don't even deserve. They don't even care about me. They don't care about me. Like, they just care about themselves. I was the one going to them always. I was the one, like, in confusion. I was the one who always thinking and caring about them, but they don't even care. They don't even think about me. But so, but now that I have realized, I am focusing on myself, my happiness, my success, my things, like all the things about me, and life's good. So do that, and that's all I wanna say. Thank you, and you focus on yourself, girl. Okay, bye. I love you. Take care.